my friend, I'm gonna make cake. My mom's gonna learn me how to make cupcakes. You need to first put three eggs here, and vanilla, and shake it. Look, you need to shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Activate. Egg, there we go, like this. And then you need first put a cup of sugar. You're gonna shake.
You can shake.
No, I don't want to shake. Now, look. You need to first shake it. Look, it's already fast magic. I'm still shaking a lot. It's gonna take a lot of minutes. It's gonna take 10 million minutes. It's gonna say, oh my gosh. It's gonna take so much. Shaking, and you need to put half a cup. Oil. Now, you need to shake it again. Shake it. You need to shake it, it's going to turn to oil. It's going to take all of the eggs. Turn to oil. Make the cake, it's going to be very yum. And then it's going to be vanilla. And it's going to be so good. Look, oil. Just turn the oil. Put vanilla and sugar and 3 eggs and a cup of oil and sugar. My mom is shaking the cake and I'm going to talk to you. I am going to make a cake. It's going to be good and I need to shake it.
Like this.
Like this. Okay, my friend, you need to put milk, a cup of milk, and then you need to shake it again. And it's going to take all of the oil. Now it's turning milk. Ah, some in my hand. Look, it's turning milk. It's already magic. You need to... Ah, it's falling. It's falling. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He took all of the milk. He took all of it. He ate it. More shake now, and then you need to put 2 cups of 2 cups of flour. There's somewhere in my hand a little. Only one hand. Oh no, it's attacking! It's attacking me! Ah! It's attacking! Uh-oh. It attacked the oil. It's so strong. He's dead. That one is so strong. Oh, he's fighting him. He's playing like a boy. He's fighting like a boy. Oh my gosh, he's falling. He's fighting him. Oof, he's getting eaten. Now he's dying. Another cup of flour and 2. That makes 2. 2 cups of flours. And now it's shaking. Baking powder. And then you need to shake it again. So my mom's gonna shake it. I shake it with this big spoon. It's gonna be so good. It smells is yum. I like the smell. Oh my gosh, that looks like slime, but it doesn't. It looks cake.
Shake a lot.
Shake a lot. You need to shake it. You need a big spoon to shake it. It's gonna take long to shake it, but a little bit long. A little. I'm just looking at it.
Shake like this.
Shake like this. Your mom's going to teach you how, and I'm going to see your videos. I have almost a lot of friends. I have a lot already. I fall. I'm standing on a seat. I like standing on seats. Oh gosh.
So you like cupcake?
I like cupcakes. My mom told me that I like cupcakes.
So every time you make it, you make cupcake?
Every time you make cupcakes and cake, you need to make it every time.
Cool.
And when you're finished making cake, you need to eat it and try. And then, if you're done, you're gonna play Roblox again, because I love Roblox. I love it. Buy this cupcake in Walmart. You can get any colors. Or PJ Masks for kids. Anyone. They have sprinkle. And we already have sprinkle and sugar. It's gonna be good. It's already color.
True.
Yeah. Look, these are yellows. And they have 2 inside them. So don't play with them. And this is not slime cake. It's not slime. No, it's not slime. If you break this, you don't have any more for only the one left. If you have only one left, buy in Walmart. Don't play with this cake. You're gonna put the cakes in here, and we're done. And then you can play Roblox. Fast already done, you're fast. Already done. And now you need to put it in the oven. And I have a new house. And I'm good. I like the cake in here. Okay, friends? Your mom will help you put this cake, but it's too heavy to spoon. It's too heavy. You can't hold it. Friends, we're finished now, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. Look, this is our oven. My friends, subscribe, and don't bring it down like. Subscribe. This one's too a little bit bigger. My mom's still a little. That's okay. My friends, I put it in the oven already, and then you need to wait for it, and it's done, and you're gonna eat it. It's gonna take 40 minutes until the cake is done. And then you can try it. I'll come back, my friends. Look. My cake is finished. We don't have vanilla. Look. We don't have vanilla. We don't have. Thank you for watching, friend. I like you. Bye.